I'm Sara Loud. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Accelerated Cure Project for Multiple Sclerosis. We're a nonprofit organization, and our focus is on accelerating research to improve the health, healthcare, and quality of life for people affected by MS. The repository was conceptualized as a way to overcome the barriers to researchers not being able to share information across disciplines. So we've developed a collection of biospecimens and data, and we share those with researchers around the world. When a researcher studies a certain set of samples and returns data back to us, we can then share that with other researchers in other disciplines, creating this layer of virtual collaboration so that they are informed by the individual data that each of them generates. We also work with a number of diagnostic companies to improve the diagnostic journey for people living with MS. These companies access our specimens and return data in order to better distinguish MS from other types of mimicry diseases. And then lastly, our samples were involved in developing a tool that's now in clinics around the country where healthcare providers and people living with MS can have a shared understanding of the activity that a particular person might be having in their disease, so beyond what might show on an MRI. So that's really helpful in terms of understanding whether treatments are working effectively or other ways to mitigate what could be disease activity or progression. By partnering with DNAnexus, we've been able to bring together these disparate data sets and to bring them onto a single platform so that other researchers and data scientists can come and access these data to learn more about the causes and mechanisms of MS. We have a people-powered research network called iConquer-MS, which is more than 10,000 people strong, living across the country and the world, who have agreed to participate in research as partners. And so through iConquer-MS, we're able to take research out of the clinic and into people's homes. So we're in the process of collecting longitudinal data from them. We'll be adding new biospecimens to the repository as a result, and also infusing the repository with the lived experience of the folks in the iConquer-MS network. The convergence of generative AI and omics data is going to enable us to take this ever-growing database of returned data and to harmonize across these disparate data sets to really and truly understand the causes and mechanisms of MS.